Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can take an 8-foot 2x4, in my area they're going for $3.48, and transform it into a project that's worth $120 in probably a little over an hour. Let's get to work. The first thing I do is set up a stop block at 3.5 inches. I take a little off the end to clean it up and then proceed to cut 24 pieces. Now you can get a little more than that, but this allows for cutting around a bad knot that might be present. Now in a bit I'm going to show you screenshots of this item for sale and how much they're going for. The idea of these small cost high profit videos is to get you to think about what you can do with any scrap wood laying around. Once all of the blocks are cut, I set my table saw to 30 degrees and the fence to 3 inches. Then I run each block through on all sides. With the angled cuts on all the blocks complete, it's time to go to the drill press. Now I set up a jig that allows me to keep each block in place and centered while I use a 1.5 inch Forstner bit to drill about 1/3 of the way down. It took a bit of adjusting and reclamping to get to the point where I was satisfied with the alignment. Now it's just a matter of placing the block and slowly lowering the drill bit. You can see I have my shop vac nozzle in the other hand close by. Let me show you what happens if you don't do that. You can imagine the amount of shavings I'd have to clean up after drilling 24 blocks. No, thank you. So do you have an idea what this project is yet? Tell you what, pause the video, write your guess in the comments before the big reveal. Maybe it's just me, but watching this video footage of drilling a hole in this block is somehow satisfying to me. You know, work is getting accomplished in a somewhat clean and efficient way, and the creation is coming to life. My next step is to round over the sharp edge of each hole with my palm router. I'm using an 1/8 inch bit. Now I started out by holding a block, but really wasn't comfortable having my hand that close to the router, so I did some improvising along the way. If you're gonna do this, just use caution and be safe. Now the part I really don't enjoy, sanding, and sanding, and more sanding. You know, it's not so bad watching the video footage back, but creating it, not my favorite part. Okay, some stain. I'm just going to do 4 blocks here. I haven't decided yet what the other colors I want to use are going to be. But I'll show you now the screenshots of this item for sale before I give you the big reveal of mine. Here's a set of 3 on Wayfair for $30. Now, they don't have the beveled edges, just straight cuts. It is acacia wood, which is more expensive than the fir I used. Now here's one listed for $16. It's just a 6-inch section of 4x4 with the 2 holes drilled out. How about 5 1-inch slices of 4x4 with a hole for $25? Okay, I did my calculations based off 6 sets of 4 candle holders, priced at $19.99 per set. If you want to see another small project with high profit, check out this video.